Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Data Systems Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We're going to do a series on work from home. All of us have been experiencing this for a while, and as many of us are finding out, this is going to continue for quite a while longer. One of the challenges with working from home is how do you set yourself up for success? For many of us, we kind of just went with whatever we had at home in our little home office because, of course, we worked at home occasionally. But now that we're kind of there on a more permanent basis or spending extended amounts of time there, what are the different things that we need? So my number one most important thing that I say from work from home is the same thing you have in working in the office, and that is finding that right office chair. As you're going to be online now extensively in video meetings, Zoom, GoToMeeting, WebEx, Teams, and you're spending all this time now in front of the computer rather than moving back and forth to meeting rooms and doing things in a face-to-face basis. One of the challenges is having that comfy chair that you're going to be able to plant yourself in for hours at a time. One of the advantages that many of us have is we don't have a Staples or a Office Depot too far away from us. So I encourage you to go in and check out the different chairs and find the ones, maybe the manufacturer, that has the chair that'll sit at the correct height that you want, that has some of the features that you want. Depth of the seat can be very, very important. So for me personally, those of you that know me well, I have pretty short legs. And so that becomes a little bit of a challenge when the seat pan is a little too far out, because then you end up kind of angled and you're not sitting with your back against the back of the chair. Now, personally, I like the Serta series of chairs. Both Office Depot and Staples carry those, and you can find them on Amazon as well. Serta makes a number of different chairs. The one I'm actually sitting in now, this little gray chair you can see behind me, is a Serta chair, but it is one of the lower back chairs. My office chair that I have both in my office here at Excalibur's offices, as well as my chair that's at home, are one of the higher back office chairs. And again, you've got to find what works for you based on your torso height and where everything sits. These chairs are very comfortable, and you can actually read the ratings on the chairs. These chairs are rated to be sat in for 8+ hours a day. Other chairs, you'll be lucky if you can stand 4 hours within that chair. Now, I'm not advocating you sit for a total of 8 hours, but they are chairs that are rated for being sat in for a longer period of time. Definitely get up, walk around, exercise. Those are important things. But once you've got the right office chair, the rest of the pieces are relatively easy. Stay tuned as we explore more work from home tips from your friends at Excalibur.